Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that no new messages will appear in Messenger in iPhone. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this process is same for iPhone and Android. So you simply need to open settings and go into the app management and click on app list. From here, you need to search for the Messenger, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to allow all permissions. Once you done that, you simply need to open Play Store and search for the Messenger, and once you reinstall that and uninstall that app again with the latest version and restart your smartphone, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.